Okay. You want me to open it for you? You want me to open it? Let me see. Let me see. It's going to be cold. It's going to be cold. Oh, an ice cream sandwich. Look at that. It's good. It's good. Is it good? It's going to be a little messy. And it's going to be cold. Here's mine. No, that's mine. I'm not giving it to you. Huh? Take a big bite. That's a big old ice cream sandwich, huh? You want to come sit down and eat it? Let's see if we can do this right. Come here. Sit up there. Sit up there. Okay. Let's see if I can get you in the view here. You got it? Okay. Ready? I'm gonna finish mine before you finish yours. Good. Mommy's gonna have to give you a bath when you're done. Look at mine. I got mine. Look at mine. Look. Oh, is that good? Look at your face. Lick it. Bite it, boy. Good, huh? You good? Vanilla. Mommy and Grandma better hurry up before it's gonna melt. Come on. There's Mommy. Look at that big face. Big ice cream. Look at mine. Watch, Mommy's gonna get hers right there. Look. Ooh, Mommy got hers. Mommy got one too, huh? Look at me. Oh, Mommy got ice cream too, huh? You're just rubbing. I don't think you're eating. You're just rubbing. Huh? Bite it, dude. Look at mine. Ready? Say Say it. Where's Grandma? Come on. Come here. 2 minutes. That's careless.